If you are watching this right now, chances are you are dealing with a very specific kind of misery. It is a relentless, pulsing throb in your jaw that ignores over-the-counter painkillers and gets noticeably sharper the second you lie down. A dental abscess is a sealed, highly pressurized pocket of bacterial infection, actively multiplying inside your mouth. Because this infection is trapped deep inside dense tissue, your body's immune system has no physical way to drain it naturally. This leads to an immense buildup of outward pressure, physically crushing the cluster of delicate nerve endings at the root of your tooth. That crushing pressure is the reason the agony is so unrelenting. This is a structural containment failure, and the pain will continue to intensify until someone physically opens that pocket to release the pressure. To resolve the infection, we have to look at how bacteria manage to bypass your mouth's natural defenses in the first place. Invading bacteria generally breach the tooth through one of two distinct anatomical pathways, the periapical route or the periodontal route. In a periapical infection, an untreated cavity provides a direct tunnel for bacteria to travel down the center canal and pool at the root tip. The periodontal route occurs when advanced gum disease creates a void, trapping bacteria that multiply against the root's exterior. Regardless of the route they took, these bacteria will not stay confined to the tooth. Left unchecked, they aggressively eat through the surrounding bone, migrating into the jaw, the neck, and eventually up toward the brain. Ignoring the origin of the abscess merely allows a localized dental issue the time it needs to morph into a systemic, life-threatening crisis. We can determine the severity of the infection by running through an active diagnostic check. First, look at your mechanical and biological history. Your risk is significantly higher with a history of untreated cavities, recent physical trauma to the mouth, a weakened immune system, or severe gum disease. Now, check your immediate physical markers. The defining indicators of an abscess are a severe, unyielding throbbing in one specific area, pain that worsens when you are horizontal at night, and visible swelling starting to push out the side of your face. Next, check for systemic indicators that the infection is moving into your body. These include a fever above 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, a sudden foul taste or rotting smell in your mouth, and a noticeable difficulty opening your jaw or swallowing. Possessing multiple positive indicators from this specific checklist marks the transition from a standard dental visit to an escalating medical emergency. To be certain of the threat, we must rule out less dangerous conditions that often mimic these early symptoms. A standard canker sore, for example, is strictly surface level and heals on its own within days. General gum disease might cause a dull, irritating ache, but it rarely produces severe facial swelling or a high fever. Even a cracked tooth feels distinct. That pain is sharp and usually isolated to the exact moment you apply pressure by biting down, which differs from the constant, unyielding pulse of an abscessed root. Once bacteria breach the tooth root, they dissolve the jawbone to enter the fascial spaces of the head and neck. Clinical data shows once the infection reaches these soft tissue highways, it can migrate to the cranial cavity or bloodstream in just 48 hours. Time is the ultimate enemy. Misdiagnosing this pressure as a minor ache wastes the narrow window you have to act before the infection becomes systemic. Because the infection moves so quickly, you must decide right now whether to go to an emergency dental clinic or the hospital. Certain red flags mandate an immediate trip to the emergency room. If your swelling is physically creeping up toward your eye or down into your neck, or if you are struggling to breathe or swallow, go to an ER immediately. If stable enough for a dentist, they follow a strict protocol. They use an X-ray to locate the pocket, physically puncture and drain the infection, then perform either a root canal to save the tooth or an extraction to remove the decay entirely. You should not let fear of the procedure delay your visit. Because dentists use heavy numbing agents, the moment that pressure is physically drained, you will feel immediate relief, and the threat is typically neutralized in a single day. Professional clinical intervention is the only method to physically remove the infected tissue and stop the bacteria from continuing their spread through your bone. While you are securing that emergency appointment, there are strict protocols you must follow at home to manage the pain safely. Never attempt to pop a swollen abscess yourself, and strictly avoid applying external heat to your face. Heat draws increased blood flow to the area, which actively drives the localized infection deeper into your surrounding tissues. Instead, manage the discomfort by alternating ibuprofen and paracetamol, and use warm saltwater rinses to keep the oral cavity clean. An abscess is biologically incapable of healing itself. You need to book an emergency dental appointment today. Waiting out the pain only provides the infection more time to reach your bloodstream or the deep marrow of your jaw. Secure a clinical appointment now and share this information with anyone who is currently ignoring dental agony.
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos that decode your body's signals. Comment below. What did yours turn out to be?